Like she ain't never held a Bible before. That Bible doesn't even look used. No, let me stop. Now, pay attention to this. Has the scriptures in her hands, but let's see if you get any rightly divided word. No, of course not. Okay, but let's see.
It's like, I heard your prayer and I'm going to give it to you when it's time. That blessing may come in 5 years. You have to be okay with that. You have to know that God does hear you. God does love you. And your prayers are not for...
That's not true. The scripture tells us that God does not hear the sinner. He does not. God sees everything. He hears everything, although he does not acknowledge the sinner. The prayers of the righteous